Hi everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Jardin from Agility, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your environment for React development. Now before we move forward, there is a dependency. In order to follow along with this video, you need to have Node.js and npm running. If you don't, you can stop the video here and you can just go and reference one of the other videos as part of this dev series, which is on the left hand side here, the Node.js and MVM. That will give you everything that you need to follow along with this video. I also recommend these optional tools when it comes to ReactJS development. So for example, Postman is quite important because you will be working with a lot of web services and Postman will be your friend in that regard. Git and source tree, there will be a lot of source code. You should be using a lot of source code, source control management. And then finally, VS Code, a great code editor, and it works wonders with ReactJS, especially with the plugins that I recommend as part of this video. So I've got videos for macOS and for Windows, and all you need to do is reference the Agility channel on YouTube, but I'll also post links to the description of this video as well as the blog entry. So let's get started. So here I have my Windows 10 environment running, and I've got IE opened to google.com/Chrome. And the reason why I have this page open is because when it comes to React development, the Chrome browser is a brilliant tool to work with React applications. So if you don't have Chrome installed on your environment, you can just go to google.com/Chrome, where you can go and download it. I've already downloaded it on my site, so I'm just going to go ahead and double click on the Chrome setup. Right, so Chrome has is done downloading and been installed, and it opens up by default, which is what you're seeing on the screen over here. So before we continue, what I'm going to do is I just want to go and install two important add-ons, extensions when it comes to ReactJS development. So to do that, I'm just going to go to chrome://apps, and I'm going to click on the web store icon here, and in the web store I'm going to search first for React Developer Tools, and there we go, React Developer Tools, please add to Chrome. There we go, so that's done. And the other one that I want to add is Redux, the Redux Dev Tools. There we go, add that to Chrome as well. Great, so Chrome is ready for us, it's ready for our React environment. The next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to this page called on GitHub to a project by the name of create-react-app, which is from Facebook, and this is a seriously powerful project that I would highly recommend. Whenever you're creating a new React application, start off with this Create React app. It's got all the bells and whistles, everything that you need to bundle your projects, to do things like hot reloading, to minify your logic, and all kinds of various tools. The Facebook team has really done a fantastic job with this particular project. And at Agility, we've even moved existing React applications to this sort of foundation that Create React app gives us. So I'm going to show you how all of this comes together. So to do that, we are going to open up the command prompt, and I'm going to right click and run this as administrator. And we already have Node.js and npm running. Just to be double sure of that, I'm just going to say node-v. There we go, that's running. So now to install this, the first thing that we want to do is we want to navigate to our source tree folder that we created from a previous video, which exists on the C drive. So if we go to this PC and we go to C drive, there is our source tree folder. So I'm just going to go here and say cd, and I'm going to drag this, never mind, c:\source tree, I think. There we go. And inside here is where we are going to create a sample React application, just so that we can get this installed. So we're just going to create a sample React application. We do that by saying npm init react app, and then the name of our application. So we'll say sample-react-app. So npm init react app, and the name of the folder or project that it's going to create inside the source tree folder. Now this is going to take a little while to run because it's going to set up our entire project for us. It's going to download all the necessary node modules and dependencies. It's going to do everything for us. So this will take a couple of minutes to run. I'm going to pause the video over here and we'll take it from there. Right, welcome back. Our application is ready to be run. So you can see over here they're also giving us a couple of options on what to do next, and what we're going to do is we're going to follow these last two over here, where we're going to go into our project folder and then we're going to run npm start. So we're going to say cd and that's sample, and I just did a tab which completed the rest of the folder name. I say enter, and from here npm start, and this should launch our application in the browser and it's ready for development. You do see here that it does ask to allow access, which is fine. So I'm going to click on allow access over there, and there we go. Our project has been compiled and it's ready to be tested. I'm just going to copy, I'm just going to go to localhost port 3000. I'll do this in Chrome. So I'm going to say HTTP, not HTTPS, localhost port 3000, and there's our boilerplate React application running. If I go ahead and click on this React icon over here, you can see that it is recognizing that this web page is a React application, which means that we can make use of these plugins. So using the Create React app, it just brings all these bells and whistles together, and it just makes developing React applications that much more fun. So that's it for this video. Until next time, cheers.